A new front image leak of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro has given us one of the clearest looks yet at DJI's upcoming compact camera. The image was shared by trusted DJI leaker Igor Bogdanov and clearly shows the dual camera module on the front of the device. While there have been several leaks over the past 2 months, this new photo stands out because of its clarity and detail. It confirms that the Pocket 4 Pro will feature a noticeably different design compared to previous rumors. The dual camera layout is now clearly visible. The upper camera module appears to be a telephoto lens, while the lower module is a wide-angle lens. This setup is different from what many expected. Earlier rumors suggested it might look similar to the gimbal system on the DJI Air 3S, but that does not seem to be the case. It also does not match the upcoming Insta360 Luna dual camera design. DJI seems to be taking its own approach with a more compact and vertically aligned lens system. This is not the first time we have seen this design. On February 5, 2026, an earlier image showed a similar setup, but that photo was less clear. Now, with improved image quality and AI enhancements, the details look sharper and more realistic. The latest image gives more confidence that this is close to the final production model. The new leak also shows the Pocket 4 Pro placed next to what appears to be the upcoming standard version of the camera, which is expected to launch on March 26th. In the image, both cameras are positioned between two smartphones that look like the iPhone 17 Pro. This comparison gives a better idea of the size. Even with the dual camera system, the Pocket 4 Pro still appears compact and portable. From the image, it is clear that the top lens is designed for telephoto zoom. The bottom lens handles wide-angle shots. This dual lens system is expected to provide 2x to 4x optical zoom. With optical zoom instead of just digital zoom, users should get sharper and more detailed footage when zooming in. This could solve one of the biggest limitations of the previous Pocket models, which had limited zoom capability. Rumored specifications suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro will feature a dual CMOS sensor setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a secondary telephoto or ultra-wide lens. Video capabilities are expected to be impressive. The camera may support 6K recording at up to 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 240 frames per second for slow motion. It is also rumored to support 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles, which would give creators more flexibility when color grading their footage. The camera is also expected to include a 3-axis mechanical gimbal with Active Track 7.0 AI for better subject tracking. Multi-subject locking could make it easier for vloggers and filmmakers to keep moving subjects in focus. A larger rotating touchscreen, gesture and voice controls, and a physical zoom dial are also rumored features. These additions would improve usability and make the camera more creator-friendly. Battery life is another area of improvement. The Pocket 4 Pro is rumored to include a 1,545 mAh battery, which is about 20% larger than the previous model. Fast charging support is also expected, while the body remains slim and under 200 grams. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro has already received FCC certification in the United States, confirming its launch in the American market. It was granted approval on December 22, 2025. Based on the standard 180-day confidentiality period, more official documents and internal details could become public around June 20, 2026. Pricing is not confirmed yet, but expectations suggest it could be positioned in the premium range, possibly around the level of a 6K flagship compact camera. A hands-on teaser video of the Insta360 Luna has surfaced online, giving the clearest real-world look yet at the upcoming camera. The leak, shared on February 26, 2026 by trusted tech insider Igor Bogdanov, shows the device being tested outdoors in what appears to be an urban Hong Kong setting. The footage confirms that Luna is not just a concept, it is a near-finished product already being used in real shooting conditions. The launch is officially expected in the first half of 2026, with March heavily rumored. The video highlights Luna's compact design and strong stabilization. The tester is seen holding the camera with a dedicated grip, and most of the physical controls sit naturally under the thumb and index finger. This layout clearly targets vloggers and solo creators who need quick access without adjusting their hold. The rotating touchscreen is positioned below the gimbal. It flips out and supports swipe gestures, allowing access to quick settings, live preview, zoom control, and menu navigation. AI-based live tracking is visible, with automatic panning and subject adjustment happening in real time. This suggests advanced onboard processing focused on smooth framing and smart subject detection. A large circular record button sits in the index finger position. It starts and stops 4K recording or captures photos instantly. A long press likely activates burst mode or quick cancel. Below the thumb area, there is a joystick-style directional control. This allows manual gimbal movement, menu navigation, field of view adjustments, and framing override. Dedicated zoom controls work alongside the joystick, supporting up to 3 times optical zoom between wide and telephoto lenses. A power and mode button is placed within easy reach for switching between shooting modes such as single lens, dual lens, or preview mode. A red LED indicator on the grip shows recording status, battery level, and connectivity. Additional side switches allow quick lens switching between wide and tele options. The Luna journey started earlier in February 2026 when the CEO of Insta360, Liu Jingkang, officially revealed the camera name and first image. During that announcement, the company confirmed a first-half 2026 launch window. Soon after, an official teaser video appeared online showing strong depth performance and realistic background separation using a dual-sensor system. This depth effect looks more natural than what we see on the DJI Pocket 3. It may even outperform the standard edition of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which is rumored to launch on March 26, 2026 with a single-lens module. However, a full comparison will only be fair once the expected Pocket 4 Pro arrives later in mid-2026. Earlier prototype leaks in January revealed that Luna features a modular design. The camera reportedly includes swappable lenses and a twist mechanism that allows partial disassembly. This means users may be able to switch lenses or use the camera module independently. That flexibility could be a major advantage for creators who want portability without sacrificing image quality. Based on current leaks, the Insta360 Luna is expected to feature a dual lens system, combining a wide-angle lens and a 70mm telephoto lens. The camera should support up to 3 times optical zoom, enabling real optical background blur instead of software simulation. Video specs are rumored to include 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color depth, and AI-powered stabilization. Real-time portrait modes and depth enhancement are also expected. Internally, dual processors are rumored to handle automatic image optimization and stabilization. Wireless microphone integration is likely included, and multiple color variants may be offered beyond basic black. Pricing is expected to fall between $400 and $600 depending on configuration. A standard version may include a single lens, while a Pro version could feature the full dual lens system. Availability will likely begin in China before expanding globally. With DJI preparing to release the Osmo Pocket 4, competition is intensifying. Since both brands directly target vloggers and compact camera users, timing will be critical. Based on current information, the Insta360 Luna could launch before or very close to March 26, 2026. Everything now points to a near-term release. The hardware appears finished, real-world testing is underway, and official teasers have already started building momentum.
The newly surfaced Quick Start Guide for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo does not confirm any official water resistance rating. Although the guide highlights a micro SD card slot with a protective cover, this alone does not guarantee waterproofing. A covered slot may help protect against dust or light splashes, but true water resistance would require proper internal sealing across all vulnerable areas. Buttons, the USB-C port, speaker openings, and especially the rotating touchscreen hinge would all need advanced sealing to achieve an official IP rating. The mechanical design of the rotatable screen makes full waterproofing technically challenging without a major internal redesign. Based on the visible information in the guide, improved durability appears more likely than complete water resistance. As of now, no confirmed IP rating is mentioned, and water resistance remains unverified until DJI makes an official statement. In terms of pricing, the Creator Combo is widely predicted to launch at around $669 US. This expected price positions it slightly above the previous generation, while reflecting incremental upgrades rather than a dramatic redesign. Considering DJI's pricing strategy with earlier models, this estimate seems reasonable. The Creator Combo branding also suggests bundled accessories tailored for content creators, which may justify the higher expected price point. Final confirmation of pricing should arrive closer to launch. The full Quick Start Guide has now appeared publicly, and its release does not come as a major surprise. Earlier hands-on leaks and retail packaging images had already hinted that the launch timeline was progressing smoothly. The expected announcement date is March 26th, and the appearance of official documentation strongly suggests that DJI is moving according to schedule. When manuals begin to surface, it usually indicates that final specifications and marketing materials are nearly ready. Early promotional content often follows once documentation becomes finalized. The cover clearly identifies the product as the Osmo Pocket 4 Quick Start Guide Creator Combo. Inside, the layout looks standard and familiar. The diagram shows the camera module positioned at the top, maintaining the signature compact gimbal design. A rotatable touchscreen serves as the main interface, continuing the practical flip screen design introduced in the previous generation. The internal structure and overall arrangement feel very similar to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, making the device instantly recognizable to existing users. The guide confirms several physical components. A dedicated zoom button is now included, offering more direct control over framing. A status LED is visible, along with the 5D joystick for navigation. The shutter and record button remain part of the layout, and a USB-C port is listed among the physical features. There is also a clearly labeled customizable shortcut button, described as "press and hold to customize functions." While customization options existed before, the stronger emphasis in this guide suggests DJI is improving shortcut access and allowing faster switching between shooting modes. Overall, the Quick Start Guide does not reveal any groundbreaking surprises. Instead, it reinforces previously leaked details and confirms that the Osmo Pocket 4 maintains a familiar design with small but practical refinements. The appearance of official documentation signals that the launch process is entering its final phase. With March 26th approaching, clearer confirmations about specifications, pricing, and potential additional features are expected soon.